Hi guys, what's up? And this is your girl Kondai Karen Mangana, and I'm back again with another video. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Also, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed watching this tutorial. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this kist and how to cover it up. So I will tell you guys all the materials down in the description box. I will leave them down there so you guys can see what you'll be needing. So on this part, we just went ahead to cover this box, right? So this is an old keyst that my mom had made previously, but she went again ahead to remake it. So what you're going to be doing is to just stippling your foam right around the sides. This is just to give it a nice touch, a nice feel, so that it's flattering. So this is the very thin form that you're going to be using. So you just have to stipple and cut out the excess like my mom will be doing. So the rest is self-explanatory. Yeah. So now that you're done with the stitching of the form, you will go ahead to staple down the fabric. This is a velvet, a ton velvet fabric that we used. You can use any type of fabric of your choice, but this is the one that we had. So just keep on stapling right around and cut out the excess, like the way my mom is going to be showing you guys. So yeah, it's self-explanatory.
Oh yeah. Yes. Oh God. Nothing is impossible with you, God. You make the blind eyes to see. You make the lame to walk. You raise the dead. Yeah. Jesus, we give you glory. We give you praise. Hamukundikani. Somebody just give the Lord a hand of praise. Somebody just put your hands together for Jesus. In your word, you say nothing is impossible, so I'll stand on your word. When troubles come to hit me hard, I know in you I'll find my refuge, and also you never fail. Mighty, 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 mighty God, you never fail. Oh, mighty, 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 mighty God, you never fail. Say your word. Yeah. You say nothing is impossible, so I'll stand on your word. When troubles come to hit me hard, I know in you I'll find my refuge, and also say you never say your word, Lord. You say nothing is impossible, so I'll stand on your word. When troubles come, yeah, I know in you I'll find my refuge, and also say mighty, 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 mighty God. You never mighty, mighty, mighty God. Say Monaco, Monaco, Jesus. Oh, Monaco,
Okay guys, so now that you're done with the covering with the fabric, you're now going to go ahead and cut out the excess, right? If you want to save, you can just cut out the dimensions as you begin, but if you are good and you know what you're doing, you can always cut out after once you're done. So this is the excess after it has been stapled onto. So yeah,
Munokona hamukundikani. Oh, munokona hamukundikani. Oh, yeah.
So now that you're done with the stippling of the X's, it's time to go ahead and pin and staple onto the back, the bottom part. So you're going to be using this lining. It's really rough and feels like silk cloth. So you're just going to be putting it on the base. This is just to neaten down the base of the piece and just give it a neat finish. So you're just going to cover that, and yeah. The scripture for today is taken from the book of 2 Timothy 2 verse 22. So it says, "Flee all youthful lusts, right, and seek after righteousness, faithfulness, love, and peace." And I'm gonna be paraphrasing. So yeah, it says for us to live in companionship with those who seek after the Lord from a pure heart, right? So I really love this scripture. It has been ministering to me in terms of just living a life of seeking after God with a pure heart. Number one, making sure that whenever I'm seeking the Lord, it's from a pure heart. It's not for my selfish gain, it's not for my selfish desires, but it's sincere and just because I love the Lord and seek after Him. Also, another important aspect of that verse is that we ought to flee. And also another important aspect of that scripture is that we ought to flee from all youthful lusts, right? So anything that causes you to have any lust, any form, it could be the music that you're watching, the movies you're watching, and so many things, the company that you're keeping, you know, if it causes you to have youthful lust, and flee away from it. So it's a powerful scripture that I've been meditating upon. Please do go through it and tell me what you think about it. Yeah, so you just continue stippling, and when you're done, this is what it looks like. So this is the bottom. This looks so cute already. So behind, I don't know if you guys can see, that's a headboard that my mom did. Couldn't film it because she'd already done it, but yeah, it looks just nice. Now we're going to go ahead and put in the lining for the inside. So for the inside, you won't be using the rough lining, you'll be using something nice and chic. So this lining is basically your basic taffeta. It's really cute, and it just gives it the inside a neat finish, something that is, you know, beautiful and attractive. You don't want it to be, you know, weird and all. So yeah, do definitely put in that lining.
Your word